Different types of application software. Application softwares include Windows Media Player, Adobe Photoshop, Skype, and more. Let's explore some of the popular types of application software. Web browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Safari are essential for internet navigation and accessing web-based solutions. Application development software such as Android Studio and Visual Studio is used for writing code and developing new applications. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, software like Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Oracle NetSuite ERP streamlines business tasks and automates processes. Spreadsheet software like Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel helps in storing, processing, and evaluating data. Multimedia software like VLC Media and Windows Media Player is used for viewing and editing image and video files. Gaming software like Steam and Epic Games Store allows users to install and play games on their devices. Word processor software like Microsoft Word and Google Docs aids in inputting and editing files. Database software like Oracle and PostgreSQL is used for data storage and management. Simulation software like Autodesk Fusion 360 and PTC Creo visualizes real-life scenarios and educates individuals. Penetration testing software like Metasploit and Wireshark is used to identify security loopholes in enterprise solutions and networks.